So here, as you can see, Jimmy with the call. Crush ko. Ay puta, may nagkahalikan pa sa hapad ko. Perfect.
You're smiling, I'm sorry. She's vibing, no compass. When I live, you're dying. When I'm falling, you falling. You're smiling, I'm sorry. She's vibing, no compass. When I live, you're dying. When I'm falling, you falling. Dope lover, you'd say no number. I like your first. I'm just here for two, lying next to you.
Good morning, y'all. So, hi guys, it's Lee. Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, it's day 2 of our Taiwan trip. It's currently Friday. And currently, I'm roaming around the area of our Airbnb. And now, from what I realize, may malaking grocery dito malapit sa amin. So, that's one. Para hindi kami lagi bumibili sa 7-Eleven. And two, nag-a-act up ang ilong ko kasi ang dami na naligarilyo dito. But look at the view. Okay. So I'm vlogging using my iPhone because it's easier to vlog here because I'm using this in portrait style. But yeah. Ooh, umaraw. And naka-jacket ako kasi medyo malamig pa din. Pero nakagayak ako. Naka lang ako, short and sandals. That's that. Tapos ngayon, pupunta ako sa record store na pinapahanap sa akin ng uncle ko. So that's that. And quick kwento. Ang sarap na... Ooh. For territory. Ano pa dito? So yun. Nasaan ba ako? Wait, that looks so cool. Ang hirap dito mag-vlog kasi walang backcam. Cut ko muna to. Transfer ako sa Samsung. So, ayun nga. I'm now using my Samsung as a vlogging camera because this is better. And there's a park near us here. Ayun yung park. And our Airbnb is located all the way going there. And may convenience store sa corner sa Airbnb. So now, again, I'm not sure where I will go. But, hello. So here, as you can see, Jimmy with the call. Crush ko. Ay puta, may nagkahalikan pa sa hapad ko. Perfect. Just, I'm confused. Saan ba? How? Where? Veg pa din. Okay. Let's see. But cut ko muna to because malobat. Oh. Ito pala po food district guys. So, food district. Food. Ay, may ancient MacBook pa siya. Food district, food district, food district, food district. We bought yesterday. It's Italian pancakes and Taiwanese sausage, angsa. But aside from those, bumili din kami ng Matsuya. There's the Matsuya. There. So, fun fact, we always buy Matsuya when we're in Japan because it's cheaper. And I don't know why, but the food there is kinda expensive rather than the ones you buy on the streets. But yeah, I'll cut this first because it's kinda hard to like vlog and shit. But when I get back, maliligo na ako kasi wala pa mga 3 o'clock kami gagala or something. And ang itinerary today is we'll go to Chiang Kai-shek, after which we'll go to Taipei 101. After going to Taipei 101, we'll go to Oh my gosh. Itong 5-0 na to. This is one of the best bubble tea before that I tried here, if I remember it correctly. And yeah, but yeah, ay pa ba? At diyan kami sasakay later sa platform na yan. But yeah, I'll got this first. Actually, no. Doon pala. Here. There. Platform 1. So yeah, I'll see you guys later when nandun na ako sa record store na pinapahanap sa akin. So, bye guys!
So gone to the point I can't believe this was all from a kiss. You stayed for this, you stayed for this, you live for this, cause I just need you now. I'm sorry, she's vibing, no compass. When I live, you're dying, when I'm falling, you're falling. You're smiling, I'm sorry, she's vibing, no compass. When I live, you're dying, when I'm falling, you falling. You don't think we don't know love. We can't leave the question untouched. How many times we lie through this moment just to hold back? Cause I think I know that you compromise. You got everything to feel this. I thought you would fall, I would've missed. You live for this, cause I just need you now. I'm sorry, she's vibing, no compass. When I live, you're dying, when I'm falling, you're falling. You're smiling, I'm sorry, she's vibing, no compass. When I live, you're dying, when I'm falling, you falling. Broke lover, you are a broke lover. He was, and he doesn't know. She's tired, she's tired. A dope lover, you are a broke lover. He was, and he doesn't know. She's tired, you're tired. You smile, she smiles. You try to get by, no time, no time. She's trying because it hurts every time. You're smiling, I'm sorry. She's falling, no compass. When I live, you're dying, and I'm falling, you falling. You're smiling, I'm sorry. She's falling, no compass. When I live, you're dying, and I'm falling, you falling.
Walk on by, walk on by, walk on by,
Yeah,
walk on
yeah, trick. I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. Trick. I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. She the devil. She a bad little. She a rebel. She put her foot to the pedal. It'll take a whole lot for me to settle. She the devil, she a bad little, she a rebel. She put her foot to the pedal. It'll take a whole lot for me to settle. Yeah, said my happiness is all of your misery. I put good all in my kidneys. This small gel don't come with no jealousy. My illness don't come with no remedy. I am so much fun without Hennessy. They just want my love and my energy. You can't talk no without penalties. I'm in your if you send for me.
Hi guys! So quick update, we're in Chiang Kai-shek na. And yun yung mga National Library ata. And I think, hindi ko alam.
He's vlogging.
Napa-history bigla. I don't know. I'm not knowledgeable.
Kasi,
Hindi po ako tourist guide. Hanggang ano lang po ako, travel agency.
Hindi siya historian.
Si Kael po tanongin niyo, hindi po ako. Hindi ko po tabawi. Wow.
Siyang ka-share.
So yan, later itinerary. After this, we're planning to go to Taipei 101. But since medyo maulan, baka baguhin namin yung plano. So, not sure, but it's only Friday. So anything can change today. Especially that there are a lots of things that can do in Shimanding area. So most probably, we'll go to Donkey later and Carrefour. Carrefour is the supermarket that I went to earlier. And, oh, look. Chinese architecture, y'all. Fun fact, dapat mag-architect ako pero hindi ko lang pinursu kasi masyado na madami nag-architect, number one. Number two, hindi ko siya masyadong forte. So, that's why I'm still in the field of real estate. Architecture is still real estate. Pero ako, more on the sales side. But then again, hindi ko naman pinush. Siguro pagbalik na lang, pupush ko yung pag-ano. But yeah, medyo nakakapagod mag-vlog at the same time maglakad. So, maybe I'll cut this. Lalandi muna ako sa... So, bye guys.
I'm going to glow up one more time, trust me. I have magical foresight. You gon' see me sleeping in courtside. You gon' see me eating 10 more times. Ugh, you can't take this one nowhere. Ugh, I look better with no hair. Ugh, ain't no sign I can't smoke here. Ugh, yeah. Give me the chance and I'll go there. Trick, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. Trick, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. She the devil, she a bad little, she a rebel. She put her foot to the pedal. It'll take a whole lot for me to settle. She the devil, she a bad little, she a rebel. She put her foot to the pedal. It'll take a whole lot for me to settle. Yeah, said pop make money now. You try. You could use a revamp with a new vibe, sis. I don't need a big feature or a new sidekick. I don't need a new fan, cause my boo like it. I don't need to wear a wig to make you like it. I'm a two-time, you ain't knew I'd win. Throw a shot like you tryna have a foot fight then. All my ops waiting for me to be you, I bet. Said, I got drive, I don't need a car. Money really all that we fiending for. I'm doing things they ain't seen before. Bands ain't dumb, but extreme is all. I'm a demon lord, fall off what? I ain't seen the horse. Called your bluff, better cite the source. Fame ain't something that I need no more. Cause trick, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. Trick, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. She the devil. She a bad little, she a rebel. She put her foot to the pedal. It'll take a whole lot for me to settle. She the devil, she a bad little, she a rebel. She put her foot to the pedal. It'll take a whole lot for me to settle. today and tomorrow. Is it just me starting to see you in a different light? I know we can't say what we mean, but you know that I mean it right. I'm feeling so good at a bad party. We don't have to talk. I know that you want me. Gotta keep it nice. We cannot be naughty. We could get drinks or we could get coffee. Feeling so good at a bad party. We don't have to talk. I know that you want me. Gotta keep it nice. We cannot be naughty. We could get drinks or we could get coffee. Drinks, coffee, drinks, coffee, drinks, or coffee. Just call me at drinks, coffee, drinks, coffee, drinks, or coffee. Just call me, yeah.
Color in my mood, no blues.
Your violet on horizon.
Forgot my screws, my booze. My love brings
All the light
wow. You knew that I miss
when it's quiet.
perfect. I want you. Tell me if I'm lying. I just came back from the moon. From the lightning, from your moon. I just came back from the moon. From the sun looking right at you. Violets playing into your tune. My moods are swinging for you. Color in my boots, no blues. Your violence on horizon. Forgot my screws, my booze. My love brings all the light. Honey, don't assume that you knew that I miss you when it's quiet. Oh, it's true. I want you to tell me if I'm lying. You know we spend so much time, just thinking holes in my mind. Our conversations last night, it got me thinking about you at in the morning.